तो हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे मिथ वर्सेस रियलिटी के ऊपर. ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट लव एट फर्स्ट साइट? डू यू थिंक इट्स अ मिथ और इट्स अ रियलिटी?
I feel like it's a myth.
I think it's a reality.
I think it's just a myth. It's just a very mythical concept.
मेरे हिसाब से रियलिटी रहेगा.
To be honest, yes, I do.
Happy birthday to
Thank you so much.
एक्चुअली मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हूँ तो मेरे लिए यस.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got
Prapti.
Prapti
Riya.
and Priya with us. By the way, Riya.
Riya.
Okay, Riya with us. And by the way, you girls look really pretty today. And we are going to ask them myth versus reality questions. So, first of all, what do you guys think about soulmates?
I don't think so. Soulmates even exist because I haven't gotten one.
Okay, and what about
I think it's just a myth. It's just a very mythical concept. You know, people have actually. I'm so sorry. Yeah. That's all.
But do you think that soulmates can exist, for example, in form of your friends also? I mean, it's not necessary.
For instance, I have my soulmate here, guys. It's a birthday today. So, yeah.
It's a birthday. Happy birthday to
Thank you so much. Yeah, so.
That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, well, in terms of friends, I think she is my soulmate.
Yeah, that's the
I
same
feel
goal.
we have.
The aura.
Yeah.
Soulmate's aura. So,
Yeah, like we have been knowing each other since a very, very long
it's a
time.
very long time. She's like a family, not even a friend, I think.
how long have you known each other for?
2019 to 6 years, I guess. 6 years now.
6 years, guys. And what do you think about love at first sight? Do you think it's a myth or it's a reality?
Infatuation. It's infatuation.
You think it's infatuation?
Yeah, it's just infatuation.
And what about
Yeah, same. I don't think so that love can happen at first sight. Because love takes a lot of things, you know. Once you get to know the person and then you'll have to accept the person, his flaws and everything. So yeah.
what's your name?
Basit.
Barsit.
Basit.
Basit.
Yes.
Okay. And what about you?
Agdas. Agdas.
Agdas.
AQDAS.
Really unique name. Where are you guys from, by the way?
So I was born and raised in Dubai, but
Okay.
I come here for vacations.
Ah, okay.
He lives here only.
You live here. So you're Barsit and you're Agdas.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to.
cousin.
He's your cousin. Okay. Nice to meet you guys. So we will be asking you some questions about myth versus reality. And our statement is that attraction fades away after a period of time. So what do you guys think about it? Is it a myth or a reality?
I feel like it's a myth because it completely depends on person to person and how they feel towards their spouse or anybody else. So based on that, I feel like it's just a myth.
You think it's a myth?
Yes, but again, people have their opinions, so it could be a reality for some others, but for me, it's a myth.
It's a myth. Okay. And what about you, Agdas?
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
I guess it's a myth.
And why do you think that?
I don't know.
Same question, I guess.
Maybe same question.
And do you guys believe in love at first sight?
To be honest, yes, I do. Like you could fall in love for different reasons. Sometimes looks, personality. So based on those facts, yeah, I do believe like it is true.
It is true.
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. And what about you, Agdas?
I don't know.
He's a bit shy.
Today we will be asking Kunal about myth versus reality. So our statement is that men are supposed to be breadwinners. So do you think it's myth or a reality?
I think it's a reality. I mean, it's expected in our society when the man, the male counterpart has to be the breadwinner. He should be earning more than the woman. So I think it's a reality. However, the lines are being blurred nowadays. मुझे लगता है कि it's more hand in hand. दोनों मिलके आजकल अपने घर के बजट में contribute करते हैं. Yeah, things are changing slightly, but I think still right now men are the breadwinners at this point.
And what do you think about the concept of soulmates? Do you think soulmates are real?
I don't think कि ऊपर से भगवान decide करता है that these two people they are meant to be together. I think we decide who our soulmate should be. हमें जो पसंद आता है, like yeah, I mean we decide who our soulmates are, not God. That's what I believe.
तो हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे मिथ वर्सेस रियलिटी के ऊपर, ओके? और सबसे पहली स्टेटमेंट ये है कि पोजेसिवनेस इज अ साइन ऑफ लव. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
That's true, actually. Losing someone that you love is possessiveness. So उसका fear is possessiveness according to me. So yeah, that's true.
सो यू थिंक इट्स अ रियलिटी?
या अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ऑल्सो इट्स ट्रू,
एंड व्हाई सर?
क्योंकि मैं पर्सनली बिलीव करता हूँ कि मतलब पोजेसिवनेस अगर नहीं होगी रिलेशनशिप में तो फिर रिलेशनशिप ही क्या है फिर वो, एक तरीके से. ये मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है. थैंक यू.
एक्चुअली मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हूँ, तो मेरे लिए यस है, रियलिटी है.
रियलिटी जो भाई ने बोला +1 कर देना उसमें.
सेम. सो दे ऑल अग्री कि इन सबको लगता है कि ये एक रियलिटी है. और आपको क्या लगता है कि जो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सोलमेट है ये मिथ है या ये रियलिटी है?
Myth.
ये तो मिथ ही है. हाँ,
मेरे हिसाब से रियलिटी रहेगा.
सर आपको लव एट फर्स्ट साइट हुआ था क्या?
हाँ, मतलब कुछ ऐसा ही था. तो ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है. हाँ, स्टार्ट मेरे साइड से ही था थोड़ा, तो धीरे धीरे करके ही कुछ होता है. तो स्टार्टिंग में मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा वो किया, बट अभी थोड़ा टाइम नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन ठीक है, ऑल गुड.
तो उसकी वजह से आपको लगता है टाइम ना देने की वजह से आपके कुछ क्लैशेस होते हैं या?
कुछ क्या ज़्यादा ही होते हैं, बट वी हैव टू मैनेज कि कैसे हमें हैंडल करना है. और आई थिंक कि मैं कर लेता हूँ. सो
एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू?
ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? मैंने तो सुना नहीं.
एंड मिथ. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन की अट्रैक्शन फेड्स अवे आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. डू यू थिंक दैट्स मिथ और रियलिटी?
Depends. Depends. We can say it's a myth, but depends upon the situation and the person that you are with.
ओके.
आई थिंक इट्स अ मिथ, क्योंकि ये पर्सन टू पर्सन वेरी करता है कि प्यार अपना टाइम के साथ फेड होता है नहीं होता. तो मेरे हिसाब से तो मिथ ही है.
एंड यू?
मैं मतलब हाँ, मतलब ठीक है, कॉमन है अभी, ज़्यादा नहीं ना मिलता है ना.
Attraction बढ़ रहा है, distance भी बढ़ रहा है.
डिस्टेंस तो है ही.
पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंड करता है ये कि मिथ है या सच है.
ओके. एंड क्या आप में से किसी का कभी हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है?
सबसे आगे खड़ा था.
ओके.
नहीं, हाँ, हार्ट ब्रेक नहीं हुआ अभी तक, तो नहीं हुआ हार्ट ब्रेक.
All right, thank you so much for your time, guys.